expansion of the Travel Safe team is really important, and to see another 9 Travel Safe officers now locating out of Haymarket, in addition to all those that started over in Paisley, is a big boost to that campaign to make sure that our railways are safe for passengers and for workers. It's really important work you're doing, and I'm really pleased that you can expand.
We go around to all the stations. A lot of people over here, obviously, because it's a new team, don't know what we do, so just basically introducing ourselves, speaking to station staff and even the passengers and customers we deal with.
Our goal is to provide an additional presence on train and at stations to help deter any antisocial behaviour, respond to any kind of vulnerable passengers on the network, work in collaboration with British Transport Police and CCTV in order to respond to any incidents.
Gives passengers confidence in travelling, maybe feel a bit safer.
We've had a lot of positive feedback from passengers. They've seen our presence here saying that they feel a lot safer on their travels. We're there to obviously help them out. It's a good positive feedback from them.